Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Clown Gremlins from the horror game Dark Deceptions. And here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, so it's a little bit fast. And then right after this sketch, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this creepy looking clown, and here is my full pencil sketch, which was a lot of fun to draw. It's always fun to draw these kind of creatures. Alright, so we're going to start out right in the center. We're going to draw his nose first, and it's just going to be one big circle. Alright, and then now for his eye, so just come to the corner right here. Okay, just draw the upper eyelid first. Just 2 arcs going up. And now for the bottom, just come back here, just round it out. So it's almost like 2 almond shapes. And then for the eyeball inside, it's a little bit creepy. We're just gonna draw like a little egg shape inside. And then right in the middle, I'm just gonna add a little line. Okay, nice and creepy. And then now for the eyebrow, just come up from the nose. Just draw 2 little lines or curves coming down like this first. And then on the ends right here, just kind of go up. So just slant it up. Alright, so now let's add in the side of the head, and then we'll draw in the cool looking mouth. So just come out to the side right here. It's pretty much like 2 lines, a little bracket down to his nose. And then from here, we'll just finish up, just curve it all the way up, little dome shape on top. And then now we'll come down. From here, we'll just kind of curve inwards, all the way down to his chin. And then close that off. Alright, and then now for the very menacing looking mouth. So it's just gonna be one big smile first. Okay, almost to the side of the face. And then from this corner, just kind of follow the curve on the outside. Just go all the way down. And then again, just kind of round it out. So that's going to be the shape of the mouth. And then for those very cool looking teeth, right in the middle, just come down right here. I'm going to draw one going this side. So curve down and just kind of round it back up. Okay. And now for the other side, curve this way and then go back up. So I'm going to draw in, let's see how much space I have. So I'm going to curve and go back up again. And then maybe I'll just draw in one more. Okay, so 4, actually 3 on each side. So curve down. So just kind of make it a little bit smaller as you go. Alright, and then on the bottom right here, I'm just going to draw in one in the center. And then now for the other one, just kind of curve up, come back down, and then let's just add in one more. I know it's got a bunch of little ones there. Okay, and then one more. I know it's got more, and it's a little bit harder to draw with these Sharpie, but let's just add in a few more. And this part is black, so actually let me shade this in real quick. I think it'll look a lot cooler. I haven't played this game, so I don't know what it's about, but I know one of you guys suggested it, so looks like a pretty cool character. I'm sure it's nice and creepy in the game. Okay, and if you want to add in a little bit more detail right here, just all around the lip, I'm just going to add this little wavy line, because I think this is supposed to be red. So go all the way across and then the bottom as well, so it goes around the whole mouth. Alright, and then let's see up here, I think it's got a mark right here, right? So these are really easy once we have the face kind of drawn already. And then right underneath the eye, you can make a little line, shade in a little triangle, make it look nice and creepy. Alright, so that's the head, and then for the top here, it's got this little hat. So you can make 2 little points like this, and then we're just drawing a little cone shape. So let's go up, come back down. And then for the details, just 2 lines across. Alright, so now let's draw in the clothing and for the thing around his neck. So we're gonna come right in the center, just come down. Just draw a little curve going this way first. Okay, and then now we're gonna go back up and finish up the top part here, and then we just kind of connect everything. So on the side right here, we'll flare out those lines, and then right here, let's kind of bracket down. And then now we're gonna go up, just kind of curve it this way. And then whatever space you have here, we'll continue to curve and just round everything out. Okay, and then right on the curve right here, just add a little line going in. Makes it a little bit more three-dimensional. And then now in the back right here, just one little curve. So it makes it look like it's going all the way around. Okay, so now for the body. So the body's pretty easy. Just come down right around here. So this is gonna be his armpit. Just come down straight. So this is gonna be his waist. And let's just go ahead and go down, and then we'll finish his arms later. Okay, so we're gonna come down in the center. Let's draw a little line. Come back up here. Just come down. Do right around here first. We can stop right there. Come back to the center. Let's draw a little angle like this. Okay, and then we're gonna keep going down and just round it out. Okay, so continue this. Just come down. Just round everything off. All right, and then for his shoes, really easy. Just draw like a little bar like this first. On this side, on the inside, we'll come down. And then now from this corner, just curve up. Just draw like a little half circle right up to this point. And then close it off. So that's gonna be the shape of the shoe. And let's just add in one little line on the bottom. Okay, so right here, let's come down first. Continue with this line on the inside, and then one big half circle. Close it off, and then one little line here. All right, and then let's see, it's got little buttons right here. Actually 2 big ones. So I'm just gonna draw 2 circles. Alright, so now let's draw in his arm. So right here, here's the armpit. So I'm gonna come back right around here. Okay, just make it a little bit skinnier on his elbow. And then now we'll just continue down for the lower arm. And then we'll close that off first. Okay, so here's the armpit. Come right around here. Come down. Here's the elbow. Okay, just kind of bend it down slightly and then close it off. Alright, and then now for his hands, we'll give him a little bit of a claw here. Curve down, just come back up. And then here's the back of the hand. Extend this line right here, just come down. That's gonna be the palm. And then right here, the finger, we'll just curve it in. And then now we'll just curve this and just kind of taper it nice and sharp. And then on the inside here, just add a little angle for the other fingers. Okay, so let's draw on this side. So same thing here, we just curve down. Let's come back up. Here's the back of the hand. Draw one little line here, that's gonna be the palm. And then for the other fingers, curve. And then just continue this, nice and sharp on the tip. And then one little angle here for the other fingers. Alright, and then I think it's got some stripes right here. So right on the elbow, I'll just draw in 2 lines and let me shade that in real quick. Okay, and then on the bottom right here, another line, and this one's gonna be black. Then one more line right here, and this is gonna be black up here. Okay, so this is, yeah, these are very easy to draw at this point. So these are just extra details and it makes it look a lot cooler. Okay, so same thing on this side. From the armpit, just one more line and I'll make that black as well. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and if you want to add in some details right here, we can add in some lines to make it look like folds. Okay, so like on the waist right here, just come in. Alright, so that is it for this Clown Gremlin. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.